Welcome to a new video of the Starters channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that someone has left me, that he has a Citroen, the engine and he gets the minimum additive level warning. He has verified that the additive bag is almost full and that the engine is making noise, that it is running, and he asks where the problem could come from. Let's see. Here they have brought us a Peugeot partner, with a similar problem. It has two problems, but with which we are interested as the fault is P1446, additive system. Minimum level of additive, intermittent fault. So, what we have done has been to check the bag. As you can see, the bag is more than half. Here, you see that it is not a problem with the bag. What happens is that in this vehicle the engine did not sound. We checked that it was getting power and we put a contact cleaner on it just in case, but we saw that it still did not work. So what we did was change the engine and it was working perfectly. Really? Okay? Yes, as you have asked me, the engine sounds. It may happen that even when the engine sounds, either you have an additive leak and it is sucking air, that the engine is already damaged and does not have enough force to attract the additive to the anti-particulate filter, in which case it would have to be changed. You know that to work with these engines, there was the colleague with his gloves on, because this additive is corrosive. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.